Congratulations, everybody. Yesterday we did a video on this. We covered that looked like ADA was going to break here, so it has. It ran up to 57 cents. This is on the 8-hour chart here. So if we go out here on the daily, we're going to cover some stuff here. Boy, look at that candle. Wow, that is incredible. We're going to cover some stuff and look at some very, very important stuff here, especially with Bitcoin, all right? So this is a super important video that I want you guys, that you really, really need to pay attention to, okay? You can see that W formation. I always talk about how bullish a W pattern is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful W. So that were nice. Obviously, an M pattern is bearish, and M is a double top. So if you ever see a W pattern forming, that's bullish. Okay. Now we need this is a very important level for us to break up here. We're going to cover this in a second. I want to go over here real quick and show you guys something super important. Okay. Please don't leave this video and check this out because you need to see this. All right. Bitcoin, we're going to go to my clean chart, okay? We're going to go back to 2017, all right? When Bitcoin had its bull run right here, it had the retracement right here, and then you see what happened after that, okay? Now the retracement came up to that 618, all right? We're going to put it on the monthly. Where are we at here? I do lose my, here we go. Alright, sorry about that. There we go. Alright. Now, you can see, once we hit that 618, what happened, okay? 618 retracement right here. This was in June of 2019, alright? July, red candle. Then it started rolling over. On the monthly, we were right up here at the top of the RSI, all right? Speaking of, thank you for all the new members yesterday. Signed up for the trading courses. 7 hours of trading courses. That's a level 3 membership for $14.99. Guys, this stuff is worth learning. Man, it can make the difference of making a lot of money or losing a lot of money in this market, all right? So if you want to, please check it out. Thank you for all the new members. I'm going to post you on tomorrow's videos, and we'll get that out. Had another super supporter sign up. Thank you so very, very much. All right, but once we hit that 618, look what happened. This was June of 2019. All right, then we rolled over. Bitcoin ended up coming down. We're not going to count COVID. All right, let's see here. Coming down roughly 52%. Is that what that was? From the very top. All right, we're getting like 55% or something on here. With COVID, this thing pulled down, 70%. All right, now if we could go back to ADA, Cardano was here in the last bull run back in 2017. All right. This is 2017 here. Here is June of 2019 right here. All right. Here's June of 2019 when Bitcoin retraced to the 618. All right. Cardano ended up having a run up of a 3x to June. Okay. Now once Bitcoin did that retracement in June when it hit that 618, look what happened. Cardano 83% with COVID. Without COVID, it dropped 72%. All right, so if it was $1, it dropped down to 18 cents. I'm just giving that for rough math. All right, so you can see, all right, once Bitcoin hits that 618, you really got to start paying attention. Okay, now Bitcoin right now, we are approaching the 618. The 618 is at 48,000 bucks. So at 48,467, we really got to start paying attention there. Okay, now as far as that monthly RSI, it's still heading up. Okay, so I believe we're fine right now, but we really got, once the 618 comes in, that's warning signs. Okay, you really consider looking at some profits and possibly taking some profits. Because you've seen what happened after that, 70% drop. Don't lose all your money. All right. Now ADA, And we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin, believe me. All right, let's get this chart. We got some price. Let's get some of this junk off here. It's not a good thing to clutter your charts up. I apologize. We had such a big spike jump here that even on the weekly, look at that, we just blasted through all these levels. All right, now if we come back here, we are now right here, this level here, this 57 cents. Right back over here, that was resistance. All right, so very important to break through that level. Don't want to see a double top scenario come in here, but I think we're fine if we put an RSI on this or a fib on this, go from that high over. You know, we're breaking up through them levels. We're through the 786. You know, the next target after that would be up towards, what is that, 82 cents, 83 cents roughly. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly RSI. The weekly is at the top. The monthly is still coming up. All right, we're still coming up there. The daily is at a 100 and a 99. It's getting towards the top. Could have a little bit of a the 12 hours at the top. Could have a correction here, and the 8-hour is rolling over. And the 4-hour is rolling over. All right, where would be a good place to look for a pullback area? Now, right here is where this wave started. Okay, so we'd probably be looking for like a 618 retracement. You know, right back down here towards, you know, the 48 cent, 48. Right around the 48 cent mark. Okay, 618. The 702 is at 47.5 cents. 47.5 to 48 cents. I'd be looking for a pullback for, and then a bounce from there. Okay, these RSIs are getting pretty high. Obviously, you get your 8-hour. All these are up there pretty high. So looks like this thing needs to cool off a little bit before we take off any higher. Now, if it busts through that 57.5 cents, scratch that. Then it's probably heading up towards 63. But I don't think it's going to do that. I think we're going to have a pullback before that. Before we head up there. So 48.6 down to 47.5 cents, I believe. Worst case scenario, 46.3 is 786. So gonna probably looking at a pull down here and then a bounce out of here. All right, so I'm going to keep that on there for the next video, see where we're at. But please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Consider becoming a member. I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you to all the new members yesterday. I very much appreciate it, guys. And congratulations on the breakout here. And we will keep an eye on Bitcoin and that 618 retracement. That's super important to keep an eye on. So have a great day, everybody.